Hi guys, it's me and it's late night and we're gonna do some baking
in the microwave.
Welcome to another episode of Part of My Pancakes. This is Pick or Pass, the show where I let you know if things are worth your coin or not. Did you know there's actually people who don't have the patience to bake? I'm not one of them, but they're out there. You might be one, so this might be one for you. Today, we're gonna be testing out the Crocker microwave cake maker. That's right, it bakes in the microwave for 5 minutes and 30 seconds and it's supposed to be done. So today, we're gonna put it to the test. Let's jump to the kitchen. Okay, so what it comes with is this big red cake pan here. And it also has like this other pan, which I believe is their cake mix or like their measuring pan, but we're gonna find out when we use it. We're gonna follow the instructions on the back. The cake we're doing is I thought it was Crocker, but it's not. I apologize. It's a Duncan Hines. It's the only cake mix that I have, so we're gonna use it. It's a Duncan Hines Lemon Supreme. We'll see how that works. And then we also have some Crocker Rich and Creamy Cream Cheese Frosting. So let's dive in. Alright guys, I switched to my camera phone for a little bit more light here. So this thing actually says like cake mix, 2 eggs, water, and then it has lines. If you're doing chocolate mix, you go to that one. Other mixes, you go to that one. And then oil in this one here. Okay, so the cake mix is only about half the bag because you're only supposed to fill it to the fill line here. So it's only about half the line. Well, I think I can add some more. I think it's good. So this is what it looks like. We have our cake batter, we have our oil, we have our water, and we have our 2 eggs. So now we're gonna take our big red pan and we're just gonna dump it in and stir it up. So it looks like that's as well blended as I'm going to get it. But it does say, so pour ingredients into cake baking pan, stir until well blended, microwave on high 5 minutes to 5:30, turn upside down onto cooling plate, let cool and enjoy. So I'm guessing you can get the double layered because it only takes half the box of cake mix to make one. We're just going to do one because I'm out of eggs. So let's jump into the microwave. So it kind of smells like something's burning in there. So I think I'm going to stop and take a look at it at the 5-minute mark. So this is what it looks like outside of the microwave. It's fluffy. then we take it, we put it in the microwave. Just for like 25 seconds. And it's gonna make it into like a gooey glaze. Look, this is what you get. So then you're just gonna Alright guys, we're back. It's the next day. It's the morning. I'm getting ready for work and I thought I'd give this a little taste. I didn't want to do it last night because it really smelled like burnt plastic in here, and in the middle of the night, like I had to get up and open the windows. So I don't know if you remember, but while it was cooking I thought the cake was being burnt. Do you remember this?
So it kind of smells like something's burning in there. So I don't know if my microwave is like surging on power.
And so I was just afraid to eat it, honestly, because what if like the burnt plastic or it melted plastic into it and then it just like... But here we are. We're here. We're gonna give it a taste. It sat in the fridge overnight. It honestly smells good. It smells like cake, and I can see how you could do a double layer here because it's half the box right here. It's a little harder, but I poured the glaze over it, so it's hard glaze on it. So let's give this a taste. I'm a little scared. Okay. Here we go. Can you see it there? No. In fact, I wish I never would have put that in my mouth. Okay, so maybe it's the flavor. I think I'll try one more time. In a couple weeks, we'll do a chocolate one. They're about to start blowing the leaves. So in a couple weeks, we'll try a chocolate one and we'll see if that's any better. But this lemon one, you can really taste the burnt plastic taste to it. That I was smelling, it kind of smelled like chemicals all night in here, and this tastes like those chemicals. So I'm gonna say no for right now. You should save your coin and pass on the Betty Crocker cake maker for the microwave. Anyways, my camera's about to die, but for right now this is a pass. It just tastes too much like chemicals, and we're gonna try in a couple weeks the chocolate one and see if that's any better, okay? Anyways, I love you guys so much, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, especially if you want to see more videos like this. I do have lots of other ideas coming up. I have lots of gadgets to try for you guys, and I'm just so excited for what's in front of us. If you want to see any other kind of gadgets, you want to know if you should pick or pass and save that coin or spend your coin, let me know. I'm gonna go though because they're rude. So until next time, bye-bye.